Zaid? Cement mixer truck. That one. Oh, you did not see it. A truck. What is that? That dumper truck. The other one. That one. It's coming. Oh, truck. Truck. Yes. Another one. The next one. What is that? Dump truck. Oh, what color is that? That car? White car. What is that, Zaid? Huh? What? What is that? Van, yes. That one? Car. What color? White. What is that? Truck. That one? Truck. Oh, truck. This one? The last one? That one? Oh, that one? Oh, so many, no? How about the other side? Here. What is this? Truck. What is that? Van. What's that? Bus. What's that? What is that? Oh, another. Oh, another one. Oh, and what that one? I didn't see it. Oh, there. What are those? Bus. What are those? Oh, truck carrying car and another bus. Yes, the bridge is there. No, the bridge. Those truck. There, the big one is tanker. Oh, those ones. What are those? Huh? Oh, here. Oh, dump truck. No, I think the crane. That is crane. Yes. What are those? Crane. No? How many? What are those? Oh my gosh. What are those? What are those? Bus. That one. Oh, there. Oh. Dumper. That one. Oh, there. What's that? That one. The tanker. You did not see it? That? What is that? Too many. Look. Excavator. What are those?
If you come on excavator on that one. So if you come on tanker,
What is that? Truck carrying cars. Is that Zido knows all the vehicles. All of these vehicles, car, truck, crane, tanker, all of them are called vehicles.
cement mixer truck. See those cement mixer truck.
Taxi also. What else? This one.
Life truck carrying car.
Oh, this one. What is this? The orange one. What's that? Motorcycle. This one. What is that? The green one. Truck. And the orange one. What is that? And the white. Van. Bus. Truck. White car. Black car. Red car. Gray car. What else? Oh, there's another truck here. Big one. garbage truck, your favorite. Your favorite. The garbage truck. Where's the police car?
Police car.
Ah, there. The police car is there. I saw it.